Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to make someone modern Twitch. So let's start it. Open your Twitch account and go for profile. Then select channel. Now go to your chat box and put a slash. Write mod and a space. Now type the person's name. Hit enter. So it's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.